preview the people complain about, where's your Chevy truck you were working on? This is a 94 Silverado. 200 and, let's see how many miles is that. Mileage is 275. I put a newer interior in there from the later 90s. And we'll show you the rest of the body later once we get all the junk around it. And we got an extra cab, but I'll show you the rest. So we got a 3/4 ton spring, which brought the rear end up, or the back end of the truck up. Put a limited slip suburban axle in there, or differential. This don't want to move. Maybe we'll grab the other side. So we put a roller fit cam and lifters, roller rockers. And now what we're doing is going to prime the oil pump. And all I did is rip off the end of the distributor and the gear end. And now we got a pump. And now we got it working right because we don't have an oil filter on. We got to put that on. So we know that's working. So we used the wrong oil filter. We took the oil cooler lines off. I'm not running that. We used the wrong gasket. We used the round one. That's for the oil cooler adapter. Oil cooler on it. This one uses a D shape. I thought the round one would work. It looked like it would. I guess it isn't. So we're going to change it over in a little bit. This is just going to be our little update on what we're doing with the truck. There's our offset control arms. She's got bigger, different offset control. The torsion bars, headers. I have no idea what brand. These are shorties, or mid-length, excuse me. As they go down the middle of the truck. So we're going to cut this video short, so you can kind of get an idea where is that guy's truck been. It's still here. We just have to move it now, so it's got to get under its own power. And I better put that on real quick. Still got a little dirty, but we got the oil pump working. We just got to finish it. And here's what we also been busy doing, trying to organize our sockets. Because we had every drawer was a junk drawer. Like that. So this is what we've been doing, trying to get organized. It's taken a while, but that's also what we had to do. Because we had to break drawer slides. So we had to rebuild them, since they don't make them for Craftsman anymore. This is not as good, but it's not as bad. A little bit better. Yeah, so we took less out so we don't have to go searching for it. So that's so far what we got. We still haven't got the correct oil cooler adapter gasket on. We got the carb sorta on. We know we got oil pressure. We put some plugs off here. We got, that's about all. We had this oil filter adapter on. I don't know why I put that on. It doesn't clear. The oil filter will hit the drive shaft. So this is for a non 4x4. But it has a D-shaped instead of a O-shaped one. And we're going to probably run a Rochester for a moment. If we figure out how to make this work and change the fuel pressure, we should have a fuel pressure gauge, change it. And we can make that work with this. So that's our next step. So hopefully you kind of get caught up what we've been doing with this truck for the past week or two on and off. So we're going to try slowly get it moving. And got another radiator for the junkyard. So here she goes.